using YouTube to make money online. Is it even worth it? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm back at it talking about making money with YouTube. Now, I did a video a couple weeks ago where I bought a course, right? Basically, the course is about how to make money on YouTube without making any videos yourself. I actually finished the course. I will be putting out a video next week all about the course, giving you the absolute truth, my honest opinion on this course. It'll be out next week. But anyway, YouTube. Is it even worth it, trying to make money with it nowadays? Because every time it seems like, I'm on YouTube, I'm seeing where YouTube is making these changes, all these rule changes, and then, even with the monetization, they demonetizing channels. They're making it harder to get demonetized. I even seen where a big YouTuber was talking about how YouTube doesn't even want people to put any more affiliate links. Any links that's not associated with basically the YouTube platform, they don't want them, and all this crazy stuff, having so many subscribers to do anything, all these different little rules and this and that, this and that. It could be discouraging to people that want to get on the platform to make money, because keep in mind, people are making full-time incomes from YouTube. So with all of these new rules and being a little more difficult, is it worth giving it a shot? And my opinion is yes, right? It is worth giving it a shot, just because, just the simple factor that you never know factor. You know what I'm saying? The fact that if you don't try it, you don't get on the platform, then, you never know what you're missing. Granted, if you do get on YouTube and you don't, make any money or whatever like that, yeah, it's a lot of time that you could have wasted, or you could have been doing something else. But like I said, a lot of people are still making tons of money on YouTube. And here's the thing. I'll say this. If you're looking to make money on YouTube, don't go into it just saying, oh, I want to get monetized and get ad money. Like, I want to live off of ad money, right? It's great to get monetized if you can, right? It's great to, get that. I just got a Google Ads check from my YouTube channel, and I'm like, yo, it just feel good. But go into it with other income opportunities from YouTube. For example, still pursue like the affiliate marketing side of things. Like, still have your own products that you can promote on YouTube, just in case you decide one day to get off YouTube or whatever. You still have products that you can promote, on your own website. You can promote on Google, or you can promote, on other platforms, right? But my take on YouTube right now is use it for what it's worth. You know what I'm saying? There's still tons of ways to make money on the platform, right? But don't just limit yourself to, oh, I just want to get, AdSense money, because that, to me, what I notice, is cool. It can be great, but they change their rules so much. And one day they like, oh, everybody can be monetized. The next day they're like, whoa, you have to have 10,000 subscribers. Nothing is stopping YouTube from making it like, it's 1,000 subscribers now. They might change it tomorrow and be like, all right, you gotta have 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 watch hours. Now a whole bunch of people that was counting on, ad money is just out of luck. And that's whack, right? So, guys, I definitely will say, jump into YouTube if you're thinking about it, but don't, just have different strategies. There's tons of, I do videos on how to make money on YouTube. A whole bunch of people do it. So do your research first. It ain't as easy as it used to be, but it's still somewhat easy. Just be willing to create some content, and you'll be all right. You'll be good to go. So that's my take on, making money with YouTube. Definitely go for it. Like I said, next week I'll be putting out my review on a course I bought, which is it should be very interesting. If you enter YouTube, you definitely want to watch that video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.